alleged harassment from the police. Fred Kagonye, KT News, Nairobi.
The Azimio coalition remains divided over the leadership position in the National Assembly, with ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna claiming that affiliate parties had agreed on Junet Mohammed to be the new minority leader. This stance has been faulted by Wiper and Jubilee parties, which insist that ODM cannot occupy the position left vacant after the nomination of Opiyo Wandayi to the cabinet. Grace Nganga with that story.
Section of Azimio affiliated parties have dismissed a statement by ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna claiming that the coalition had unanimously endorsed changes for the parliamentary leadership positions left vacant by leaders nominated to the cabinet. Addressing journalists Tuesday, Sifuna claimed that the coalition had agreed on Junet Mohammed as the new minority leader and Millie Othiambo as the new minority whip.
I want to assure the public and the Kenyans who support Azimio that there is no disagreement in Azimio, because we had seen some reports.
According to Jubilee Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni and his wife counterpart Shakila Abdallah, the changes were made by ODM without their input. The two dismissed the ODM stance and told ODM to come out clear on whether they are in government or in the opposition. They further accused ODM leader Raila Odinga, accusing him of playing double standards.
So do they have the blessing of the party?
They do not. The position that we gave in the statement that I issued 2 days ago is that they are going to join government in their individual capacities. For you to conflate and say that this is the decision of ODM or that ODM has joined a party or a government, you have to show me a document.
On Monday, Raila, while visiting Toy Market that was destroyed by fire, claimed that President William Ruto came to him kneeling down, seeking assistance on running the government. The differences in Azimio have continued to escalate, with some reports indicating that some individuals are out to eject Raila from the coalition leadership. Grace Nganga, KT News, Nairobi.
Experts are warning of further spread of